So everybody, people of Naga City, please let us give her an astounding round of applause.
Maray nabanggi po sa Gabos. Pagtaong galang sa tuya pong Mayor Lenny Robredo. Kaibahan ta po ang ibang city officials, my colleagues in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Honorable Doc Ches Albios, and Honorable Jude Jokno. May mga department heads po kitang kaibanan. Yaon man po ang chairperson kang Peña Francia Executive Committee, Mr. Ray Anrentoy, Chair of the Sponsorship Committee of the Peña Francia, Mr. Rafi Magno. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan man si mga nagtarabang sa tuya buong Aldao. Yaon po kami sa Avenue, Convention Plaza, Casubago. Poon alas 8 ning aga. Pasalamatan ta po. Join me in thanking everyone who exerted effort. Ang samuya pong medical team, head by City Councilor Doc Butch Borja. Ang sa tuya pong City Registrar Team, Ma'am Adi, City Legal Office, represented by Attorney Raisa Rodriguez, the SP Secretariat led by Mr. Gil de la Torre, may office staff, ang University of Nueva Cáceres po, they are our official tabulators for this year's Miss Bicolandia. Of course, pasasalamat po sa Robinson's Mall. To the Executive Committee, ang mga kaibahan ko po, the co-chairperson is Councilor Jude Jokno. Yaon po ngunyan si Ma'am Hannah Perez. Yaon po si Sir Mike Pawig. Banggiton ko man po ang ibang members kang Executive Committee, si Miss Abigail C. Soriano, Miss Rochelle Priela, Ma'am Andel Yoro, Miss Rai Rentoy, Attorney William Enrile, Mr. Jeremy Lo, Mr. Everett Olivan, and ang former Councilor Joe Perez. Pasalamatan taman po si mga judges na nagtabang sa tuya ngunya na Aldao, our Chair of the Board of Judges, Dr. Mark Borja, Mr. Rico Rakitico, Ma'am Sheila Lagoda, Ma'am Grace Inocentes, Miss Ara Jocos, Sir Architect Kim Ciudadano, si Ma'am Cathy ko po, maabot man po sa Araatsan. Tonight we present to you our official candidates to the Miss Bicolandia 2025 who embody not just grace and beauty but present themselves as advocates of meaningful causes. This year we have 17 women who carry with them the hopes of each of their communities, but all representing the pride of Bicolandia. Aram ko po